Hello children, see what is there on your screen. Yeah, very much right, it's diary entry. And from last 2 days we are discussing the same topic, diary entry, and we have discussed many examples, and today we are going to discuss the exercise of the topic that is given in our book. So let us see these examples we have discussed. Let us see them one by one. Okay, up to 5 or 6 example we have done, and now we are going to do the example number 7 today, and after that the exercise is there, we shall discuss that also. So see, in exercise number 7, example number 7, Preeti saw a roadside accident on her way to the school. She decided to record it in her diary. Use the information given in the box to complete the diary entry. Do not add any new information. Means the information that has been given to you, only that you will use, no extra information you have to write when you are going to write the diary entry. So it's the incident that Preeti has seen on the road, and she is going to discuss about this in her diary. So diary, you know very well that it's very personal. Only the diary and the writer, they are going to discuss these two things. So let us see how she has written, how Preeti has written in her diary. First of all, you see what are the points that are given in the box. Accident about 100 meters away from the school between a speeding scooterist and a pedestrian. The pedestrian injured in the leg. The scooterist removes him to a nearby clinic. My admiration for the scooterist, and such people are rare. So these are the key points that are to be used while writing the diary, and in the instructions it is already given that you will not add any other point. You have to describe only these points. Okay, let us see what Preeti has written. First of all, written date, then time, date, time and day you can write, then dear diary, salutation you can give. Today I was witness to a roadside accident involving a scooterist and a pedestrian. The latter was knocked down by the speeding scooterist. The pedestrian was injured in the leg. However, the scooterist was responsible enough to remove the victim to a nearby clinic. I admired the gentleman in my heart and hearts of hearts. Really, such drivers on the road are very few. Means here Preeti admired the person who was the victim also, you can say, means by whom the accident was done, but he took the person to the nearby hospital, means he was a responsible person. So Preeti is admiring that person also in the diary entry. So it is the incident that was witnessed by Preeti, and she was going to write in her diary. So in this way, such things have written by Preeti in her diary. Now see the next one, 8th. Raman visited his tutor being treated in a local hospital. He decided to record his visit in his diary. Use the information given in the box to make a diary entry. Do not include any new information. So let us see what are the information given here. Okay, let us see. Learned about tutor's illness, visit to hospital, carry a bouquet, pleasantly surprised, wished for his early recovery, told that he would be discharged soon, my satisfaction. So it's the diary written by Raman, who has visited a local hospital because his tutor was there. So he visited there, and the things that happened that are written in the box, and all these are compiled in the diary also. All the same things he has written. Now see what he has written. So first of all, the same things as we are doing everywhere: date, day, time, and the salutation. In salutation it is dear diary, and then he or she will start writing whatever he want to write. So I learned from my tutor, Mr. Kapoor's wife, that he had been admitted to a local hospital for a minor operation. I visited him, carrying with me a bouquet of flowers. He was pleasantly surprised to see me. I wished him early recovery. I felt satisfied when he told me that he would be discharged soon. So, this is the diary entry that has been written by Raman, and downside the name Raman he can write. Okay. So, it's all the example. Let us see the exercise now. Discuss that exercise also. Number 1. You stayed with a fast friend for a few days. Write a diary entry about your visit, mentioning his hospitality. Means you visited your friend and you were treated very well there. So all these things you have to write in your diary. Okay. So you can write first of all date, time, day, and then you can give the salutation, dear diary. You can start, today I am very happy. I have come back from my friend's house who lives in Delhi. We spent a nice time together. His parents are very loving and caring. His mother cooked tasty dishes for us daily. We visited many places like Red Fort, India Gate, Lotus Temple, and Water Park, etc. In this way, we can name the places that are in Delhi. We played in the park daily. It was a nice time. We both were very happy at that time. In summer holidays, he has promised to visit my house, and I am very excited for his journey. And now it is getting late and I want to sleep. And this way he can finish the diary and he can write the name of any person. When it is not given, you can write any name of your choice. Okay. Now see the second one. Second example. One day you were bitten by a stray dog. Write a diary entry expressing how you felt about the incident. Means you have to write your feelings, and you have been bitten by a stray dog. Okay. Now see what you can write. I am just giving you the idea, else you can write the points whatever you want to write. It's all depends upon you. But with me you can take some help so that you can write. Okay. So here also date, day and time, and then salutation, dear diary. Today I am very sad, you can start, because you have been bitten by a stray dog. Today I am very sad. It's a bad day for me. I am suffering from pain. Today in the morning I was going to school. Two dogs in the street, they were barking at each other, and they looked very angry also. I tried to escape, but one of the dogs bit me on my leg. I cried for help. I was weeping also. Some people came and helped me, and they informed my parents. They took me to the doctor, and then doctor gave me medicine, and doctor has advised me to take rest. And now I am okay, but I want to take rest. I want to sleep now. And in this way you can write your name downside. Okay, then see the third one. Next one. Suppose your father has been elected to the municipal corporation of your city. Write a diary entry mentioning how proud you felt when the elections results were declared. Means you will be very happy when your father is a winner. So in this way you have to write the diary entry. So here also you can write date, day and time, and then after you have to start. Dear diary, today I am very happy because my father has been elected to the municipal corporation of the city. I felt proud on my father, and my father is an honest man. He is very hardworking. He is a good speaker. He is very helpful. He is always ready to help others. Therefore, he has been elected as the municipal corporation. In the evening, there will be a celebration of the victory, and we enjoyed a lot because the celebration was there, and the diary is being written in the evening, or you can say at night. So the celebration has been done and they all are very much happy. So now you want to sleep, and downside you can write your name. Then the next one, it is the last one also. See, Rahul won the first prize in 400-meter race. He decided to make an entry in his diary. Use the information given in the box to complete his diary entry. Don't add any new information. Word limit 50. Means word limit has been given to you, so you have to write the same. Now see, school sports day, many events, cutthroat competition, participation in 400-meter race, ahead of rival competitors from the beginning, maintained the lead throughout, came first, felt great. So it is the fourth one that is in your exercise, the fourth one, diary entry. Now see, here also you can write the same, your date, day, time, and then your salutation, dear diary. And as you are the winner, so it's a great day for you and you are very much happy also. So you can start. Today I am very happy and it is a great day for me because I won the first prize in 400-meter race. Today annual sports meet was held in our school and there were many events. All the athletes were very much prepared. They were all prepared and they played very well. There was a cutthroat competition, means it was a very hard competition. I took part in 400-meter race and I was very much excited because I have done a lot of practice. As the race started, I was ahead of the rival competitors from the beginning. I maintained the lead throughout the race and I stood first. I came first. I am very happy. All congratulated me. Wow. It's a memorable day for me. And now I want to sleep. And I want to keep this memory always in my head and heart. So it's bye for today, students. And we have discussed the exercise and hope you will be able to write all the diaries in your English 2 notebooks. So bye, students.